Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Our word of the day is booking. It's a B2 level noun meaning an arrangement for a reservation. So, what exactly is a booking? Well, it's simply an arrangement you make to reserve something in advance, like a table at a restaurant, a hotel room, a flight, or even a ticket to a show. Think of it as securing your spot or your access to something at a later time. You're essentially saying, I want this, and I'm reserving it for myself. It's a really common and useful word in everyday language. Let's explore some synonyms for booking. One synonym is reservation. For example, instead of saying I have a booking at the Italian restaurant for 7 p.m., you could say I have a reservation at the Italian restaurant for 7 p.m. The meaning is exactly the same. Another synonym is appointment, particularly when referring to a scheduled time with a professional. For instance, I made a booking for a haircut next Tuesday could also be I made an appointment for a haircut next Tuesday. A further synonym, though less common, is engagement, particularly in formal contexts referring to a commitment of time. You might say, the company has a prior booking, which means they can attend, can also mean the company has a prior engagement, which means they can attend. Let's look at some sentences. She confirmed her booking for the hotel. We made a booking for a rental car online. The airline sent me a confirmation email for my booking. Now, let's look at antonyms, words with opposite meanings to booking. One antonym could be cancellation. A booking is making a reservation, and a cancellation is taking it away. You could say my booking was made last week, but the cancellation came this week. Also, another antonym might be unreserved, implying no prior arrangement has been made. For example, he arrived unreserved, hoping there would be a free seat. Another antonym is available. Where a booking implies unavailability for others, available suggests that there is no impediment to its acquisition. Despite the booking being complete, there are plenty of tickets available still on the door. Let's examine further sentences. The cancellation of my booking was disappointing. Since there were so many free seats available, it was clear that a booking wasn't required. So, how can you use the word booking in everyday life? Well, pretty easily. Imagine you are calling a restaurant. Hi, I'd like to make a booking for 2 people this Saturday at 8 p.m. Or perhaps you're talking about travel plans. Did you make a booking for your flight yet? Or imagine you are discussing your schedule. I have a booking for a dentist's appointment at 2 p.m. Or even using in common expressions, full booking to suggest that everything is sold out. Further examples of sentences include, I checked my email to confirm the booking details. The booking process was very straightforward on their website. Make sure you get a booking reference number so you can identify it if problems occur. Due to high demand, advance booking is essential. She showed her booking confirmation on her phone at the check-in. He had mistakenly made a double booking. So, to recap, today we learned about the word booking, which is a B2 level noun that means an arrangement for a reservation. We explored synonyms like reservation, appointment, and engagement, and antonyms like cancellation, unreserved, and available. We also discussed how you can use booking in everyday conversations. I hope you found this episode of Hello Word helpful. Now, here's my call to action. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show and learn new English words. And here's a fun challenge for you. Create your own sentence using the word booking and share it as a comment under this video. I can't wait to see your creative examples. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next episode of Hello Word.